Morning routine. Wake up, it's a new day.
Wake up, it's a new day.
Turn off the alarm clock.
Turn off the alarm clock.
Open the curtains, see the sunlight.
Open the curtains, see the sunlight.
Brush your teeth with toothpaste.
Brush your teeth with toothpaste.
Wash your face with cold water.
Wash your face with cold water.
Take a refreshing morning shower.
Take a refreshing morning shower.
Wear your clean, fresh clothes.
Wear your clean, fresh clothes.
Prepare breakfast in the kitchen.
Prepare breakfast in the kitchen.
Brew coffee, let it cool.
Brew coffee, let it cool.
Enjoy breakfast with some toast.
Enjoy breakfast with some toast.
Pack lunch for the office today.
Pack lunch for the office today.
Check your schedule for appointments.
Check your schedule for appointments.
Water the plants in the garden.
Water the plants in the garden.
Lock the door before leaving.
Lock the door before leaving.
Grab your keys and phone.
Grab your keys and phone.
Going to work or school. Drive carefully to work or school.
Drive carefully to work or school.
Take the bus to the office.
Take the bus to the office.
Walk to the nearby bus stop.
Walk to the nearby bus stop.
Greet the bus driver politely.
Greet the bus driver politely.
Find a seat, relax, and wait.
Find a seat, relax, and wait.
Catch the train to the station.
Catch the train to the station.
Buy a ticket at the counter.
Buy a ticket at the counter.
Listen to music while traveling.
Listen to music while traveling.
Arrive at your destination safely.
Arrive at your destination safely.
Enter the building, greet the receptionist.
Enter the building, greet the receptionist.
Take the elevator to your floor.
Take the elevator to your floor.
Say hello to your colleagues.
Say hello to your colleagues.
Settle at your desk, start working.
Settle at your desk, start working.
Check your emails and messages.
Check your emails and messages.
Attend the morning team meeting.
Attend the morning team meeting.
At the office or school. Discuss projects with your supervisor.
Discuss projects with your supervisor.
Work on tasks from your list.
Work on tasks from your list.
Answer phone calls professionally and clearly.
Answer phone calls professionally and clearly.
Take a short coffee break.
Take a short coffee break.
Collaborate with colleagues on assignments.
Collaborate with colleagues on assignments.
Print documents for the presentation.
Print documents for the presentation.
Prepare slides for the afternoon meeting.
Prepare slides for the afternoon meeting.
Join the meeting, share your ideas.
Join the meeting, share your ideas.
Take notes during important discussions.
Take notes during important discussions.
Send a follow-up email afterward.
Send a follow-up email afterward.
Have lunch in the
Have
cafeteria.
lunch in the cafeteria.
Discuss weekend plans with friends.
Discuss weekend plans with friends.
Finish the report by the deadline.
Finish the report by the deadline.
Organize your desk before leaving.
Organize your desk before leaving.
Say goodbye to your colleagues.
Say goodbye to your colleagues.
Afternoon or evening routine. Pick up groceries on your way.
Pick up groceries on your way.
Drive home carefully during rush hour.
Drive home carefully during rush hour.
Listen to a podcast while driving.
Listen to a podcast while driving.
Arrive home, take off shoes.
Arrive home, take off shoes.
Feed the pets their dinner.
Feed the pets their dinner.
Start preparing dinner in the kitchen.
Start preparing dinner in the kitchen.
Chop vegetables for the evening meal.
Chop vegetables for the evening meal.
Cook rice and stir-fry vegetables.
Cook rice and stir-fry vegetables.
Set the table for dinner time.
Set the table for dinner time.
Enjoy dinner with your family.
Enjoy dinner with your family.
Clear the table, do the dishes.
Clear the table, do the dishes.
Watch the evening news together.
Watch the evening news together.
Discuss the day with family.
Discuss the day with family.
Take a short evening walk.
Take a short evening walk.
Water the plants in the garden.
Water the plants in the garden.
Night routine. Brush your teeth before bed. Brush your teeth before bed. Change into comfortable night clothes. Change into comfortable night clothes. Set the alarm for tomorrow. Set the alarm for tomorrow. Read a book before sleeping. Read a book before sleeping. Write in your journal nightly. Write in your journal nightly. Meditate for a few minutes. Meditate for a few minutes. Turn off the lights, go to bed. Turn off the lights, go to bed. Say good night to your family. Say good night to your family. Relax and reflect on the day. Relax and reflect on the day. Drift into a peaceful sleep. Drift into a peaceful sleep. Miscellaneous daily activities. Charge your phone before sleeping. Charge your phone before sleeping. Plan tomorrow's tasks in advance. Plan tomorrow's tasks in advance. Call a friend to catch up. Call a friend to catch up. Attend an online class or seminar. Attend an online class or seminar. Update your social media profile. Update your social media profile. Exercise for at least 30 minutes. Exercise for at least 30 minutes. Check the weather before going out. Check the weather before going out. Pay bills online using your phone. Pay bills online using your phone. Buy groceries from the nearby store. Buy groceries from the nearby store. Schedule an appointment with the doctor. Schedule an appointment with the doctor. Visit the library for new books. Visit the library for new books. Clean the house over the weekend. Clean the house over the weekend. Do the laundry on Sunday morning. Do the laundry on Sunday morning. Iron clothes for the coming week. Iron clothes for the coming week. Prepare a grocery list for shopping. Prepare a grocery list for shopping. Bake a cake for a celebration. Bake a cake for a celebration. Decorate the house for the party. Decorate the house for the party. Wrap gifts for a special occasion. Wrap gifts for a special occasion. Send invitations to friends and family. Send invitations to friends and family. Take photos at the event. Take photos at the event. At school or college. Attend the morning assembly on time. Attend the morning assembly on time. Submit your assignment to the teacher. Submit your assignment to the teacher. Listen carefully during the lecture. Listen carefully during the lecture. Take notes in your notebook. Take notes in your notebook. Participate in class discussions actively. Participate in class discussions actively. Work on a group project together. Work on a group project together. Study in the library after class. Study in the library after class. Review notes before the upcoming test. Review notes before the upcoming test. Complete your homework before bedtime. Complete your homework before bedtime. Prepare for tomorrow's quiz. Prepare for tomorrow's quiz.